Do you have a venue that needs seating? Look no further than Preferred Seating. This affordable theater seating company provides durable and stylish fixed auditorium and stadium seating for all types of locations. From theater seating to sports stadiums, school auditoriums, municipalities, entertainment venues, and churches. Our award-winning theater seating company is recognized for its unique seating manufacturing. We focus our attention on quality, detail, and customization to enhance your guests' experiences. Preferred Seating offers complete seating services, including design, installation, and layout. Our theater seating company thrives on adding beauty and comfort to all of our clients' venues. Let us ensure you give a lasting showcase impression to your community. Visit our website at preferred-seating.com to view our products and give us a call at 317-782-4555 for a free consultation from our experienced staff to help you choose your performing arts theater seating today.